Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Arc Raiders stuck in queue issue using a few simple methods. First, let's try the most common and effective fix, which is the Steam bypass method. When you see the in-queue pop-up on your screen, press Alt and F4 together to close that pop-up window. Do not worry, this will not fully close the game. The game will still be running in the background through Steam. After closing the pop-up, wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. In many cases, the game will automatically load you into the main menu without showing the queue again. If that does not work, the next method is to run the game as an administrator. Go to your game installation folder and find the file named pioneer.x. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the option that says Run this program as administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Now launch the game again and see if the issue is fixed. Another reliable method is to verify the game files through Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Find Arc Raiders, right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and repair any missing or corrupted files automatically. Thanks for watching.